Hello, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I bought one new version Iqoo Neo 10. Almost I'm using Iqoo Neo 10R a couple days before I bought, but this is new in the pack. I will open in front of you guys. I wanna show you which kind phone is this. This is Iqoo Neo 10. It's came by mobile phone case. I opened it already one time and I checked which qualification and specification this phone have. This phone came with type C to type C cable, as you see, type C to type C, and this mobile have a massive charger, 120 watt. If you guys want to use this charger, you can use this charger as a for computer also. As you know, the computer launched in the 2025. Almost all computer can get the charge by PD port, and PD port need a 100 watt charger, but this charger have a 120 watt, and mean you can charge your computer, laptop and mobile phone with one charger. But you have to remember, if you want to use this charger just you can use for simple task in your computer, but in professional computer is okay, 100% is sufficient. But for gaming computer, when you want to use some heavy task like gaming or editing, in that time you need on charger of the computer, because gaming computer, gaming laptop more have a charger more than 200 watt charger need, and this is only 120 watt. And let's start. Okay, this mobile looking like this. As you see guys, I used already and I checked which specification this mobile have. This mobile almost from every angle, it's totally latest technology in this mobile. This mobile chipset have Snapdragon 8S Gen 4. I'm using already Iqoo Neo 10R. This is Iqoo Neo 10. That Iqoo Neo 10R launched around 6 months before. I bought already 6 months before, and I'm using. It's very perfect phone. That Iqoo Neo 10R have a chipset Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, but this mobile have a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, and graphic also in the graphic chipset Adreno 700 something, I forgot the name, and I will mention in the titles. Can you read? This mobile can record the video in the camera section. In the front, this mobile have a 32 megapixel camera. In the back, 50 megapixel Sony ISO 882, and one ultra wide camera is 8 megapixel. That is Sony ISO 50 megapixel, and front camera is 32 megapixel. Because this mobile have a massive and very good chipset, that way you can record. As you see, front camera also capable to record videos 4K 60 frame. And back camera also, as you see, capable to record 4K 60 frame per second. Mean for both sides of the camera you can record video in 4K in 4K 60 frame second without any problem. And if any guys want to buy this type phone for game, it's perfect and #1 phone, as I know, because this mobile have a vapor chamber cooling and have a massive battery. As you know guys, this mobile is too much thin, very perfect size, because in this mobile using the new technology battery, polycarbonate technology. That way that battery size becomes small and capacity is going to high. Mean this mobile with this design, very slim, have a 7000 milliampere battery. You cannot maybe believe this. Iqoo Neo 10R I have That mobile have a 6400 milliampere battery. In this year 2025, more smartphone comes. All mobile smartphones have a more than 6000 milliampere battery. Just iPhone and Galaxy in this area, still they using 5000 milliampere battery, and they also using lithium, not polycarbonate battery. Maybe I don't know for which reason. Still those company Galaxy or iPhone, they using the lithium battery, but it's silicon carbon battery is very massive, and using the vapor chamber cooling system is not going to hit. If you want to use for game, more for PUBG, you can play PUBG in 120 frame without any lag, without any drop. And according to operating system, this operating system PanTouchOS, I forgot which PanTouchOS this have. I will mention in the titles, but it's equal to or according to Android 15. And this mobile according to operating system can back up 4-year update of the operating system and 5 years for security update. But Iqoo Neo 10R, I will show you with together. Iqoo Neo 10R can get update for 3-year operating system Android update and 4-year security update. And for this in this purpose, this have a 1 year more than that Iqoo Neo 10R. And this mobile have some different variant in the memory size. This mobile comes with 8GB 8GB RAM, 128GB memory, and second variant is 8GB RAM and 256GB memory. Third variant is an high variant, 16GB RAM and 512GB memory. But I should tell you, this mobile using the latest technology. RAM the mobile used is RAM is LPDDR5 Ultra, Iqoo Neo 10 or Iqoo Neo 10R or some another phone like a Poco F7 or Poco X7. Those mobiles using the LPDDR5, but this mobile using the LPDDR5 Ultra RAM. And in the storage, if you want to buy that this mobile, when you buy with 128GB storage, that storage comes for Iqoo Neo 10R also same, for this also same. They will come with UFS 3.1. But when you buy a 256GB variant of this mobile will come with UFS 4.1. And this mobile refresh rate, screen refresh rate is 144 Hz. That 144 Hz just using for some games like Clash of Clans or something another games, but another for using normal task, that 120 frames second is Hertz is using in the screen usable. This is the new phone, and I will show you near of the Iqoo Neo 10 or with this phone, and you can understand. If you want to buy this mobile is perfect, and according to my advice, if you buy this phone, you will not be, if you want to buy this phone, you will not be regret, never, because this mobile have a good specification, never getting hot in any situation if you use. And this mobile cost is, I bought in the India with Amazon. This mobile came with 32,000 8GB 128GB variant and 34,000 8GB 256 variant and 41,000 rupees Hindi. It came with 16GB RAM and 512GB memory. This was the mobile phone. If you want to buy, I will suggest you buy this mobile. if you compare with Poco F7, that also using the same specification, but that Poco F7 have a 7550 milliampere battery, but this have a 7000 milliampere battery, but still according the charge saving, both is same, because this mobile phone is very better than Poco, because in operating system and all system is very fixed, mean this using the good charge. Thank you guys so much till here. If you liked this type video, please like the video. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment below. And for supporting me and for giving me motivation, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, and see you till the next video. Bye.